over. And that's my gate. That will be...
looks like we'll be number 2 for departure. We'll have your board here shortly. Please sit back and enjoy your flight. Flight attendants will be present for departure.
I'm here at Denver International Airport now waiting for my colleague. We are taking the same Lyft or Uber to the hotel.
A Bronco. The Broncos, maybe.
Oh, it's got red eyes. I don't like it.
Yeah.
I liked it.
My flight back is not as big. Like the flight, didn't have
The airplane.
Yeah, is not as big. It's half the 50. So I just figured it would be the same. That would go back and forth. And
Yeah. Here we are. We've made it, guys. Very cute. And now, and here's my room. And then the view is there. Oh, there's a Rendezvous Cafe there. You can probably go there. So this is, it seems like this is downtown Denver. I'm going downstairs to have lunch. Look at this booth. Huge. They even have the horse, the blue horse there, right? Or earlier
oh yeah,
from the airport. Yeah. Yeah, from the airport. Here at Leven Deli. It's my ginger shop.
it's a Reuben.
Reuben. This is Reuben. Heading downstairs to the summit.
Maybe up to there? Yeah, well. For your weapons question, try to make it easy for you.
Do you like
What do you
Did they have fruits? Oh, take a video. What is this? Potatoes, eggs, sausage, and what is this one? Bacon. Relaxing a little bit while waiting for the next session. Oh, what's that?
Oh, size-wise, it's like the entire.
A picture?
Like of the scenery. Thank you.
Yeah. We're going to this place. Let's try it.
I'm not saying.
The sun is about to shine on the horizon. Today is Wednesday. Here at the Coors Stadium. They have kebabs! A lot of food! They have kebabs.
Is he making people go down to him? Come on.
It's so hot.
I know.
I'll probably go up there like in a few We we are going to dinner. Sure.
We're going this way, right?
They're following you. We're going to this place, Buckhorn Exchange. There in front. But the entrance is there. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
You guys have a reservation?
No, actually.
7.
Very interesting menu. Try it Fried alligator sounds interesting. The special, the half bison, half.
Would you know that it wasn't chicken?
You want me to do the sweet or the savory for the ice? Savory. Savory, got it.
You wouldn't have thought it was chicken.
Medium. Three size. Baked potato. And then for your salad or soup.
Yeah, because you can inhale that in like a second.
Trying to guess what this is a word.
This is the bison. The other one is the elk.
And it's the grass piece between the sides.
A lot of people they came here for the concert.
They have like they're ready for me.
It's like in the movies.
Yeah, it's so nice.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, if you like. Are we
gonna be able to get a lift back?
But it still has a dent.
A lot of people are moving here in Colorado.
There's no trail near here?
I think this is the trail.
Oh, this is the trail? Oh.
We either like hike back or the way.
Able to. Oh, there's a lamp.
They have a big herd. We have deer that go through our backyard.
Oh. Checking out now. So the bathroom is here. And then this is the shower. It has like rain shower, and there is this robe. So this is the Art Hotel here in Denver, and then the towels are here. There is this mirror and hair dryer, and like and then the vanity here. I like this design. And then on this side is the wardrobe. I have my stuff here already. And so this is the wardrobe. It has ironing board, iron, and then oh, there's a baby crying. And then right across the wardrobe is the coffee station. There's like small trash bin here. There's coffee, and what else? There's a drawer here, and more of like cabinets here. And then, so this is a more of like a workstation. Also here, there's like a fridge. The fridge is here, and then more drawers here, like 2 drawers, and then the TV. And so this is Curio collection by Hilton, and right now it's 9:07 at night, and the weather is 75 degrees, and it says here it's drizzling outside. And this phone, and the light there. I'm here for, and there's a chair there, so you can work here. And then the bed is this. I think this is a queen size bed. And there's a chair here, and then another chair there, like a lounge chair, and then a small like table here. This is like another light too, and then more light here. I'm on this side, so the view is that. There's a cafe there, there's a furniture store there. What else? So this is in downtown. I don't know, that's probably like an office building over there. It's pretty quiet right now. So that's it.